What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial video on how to properly install the DTSS rear toe eliminator on the 86 to 92 FC RX7s. I've never seen an actual tutorial this is how you do it video done online. So this is going to be a quick little video just to show you guys how to put this in. All right, let's get started. According to Racing Beats instructions, it goes in like that. This is going to be lower. This lip here is going to be flush with that, and it goes in like that. So you have the bearing side of the opening. I just call it the bearing side because this would, like, the bearing's not there. So the bearing side, and you're going to press it in just like that. If you're using a press, your setup is going to look something similar to this. You're going to have something in the bottom that's going to have a big opening in it. I'm using a 35mm socket, which works fine. Your knuckle, then your eliminator, and then you're going to have something to press it on the top that's got an opening. I'm choosing to use a 30mm socket, and then you're just going to press it in until it sits all the way down. Just like that. See how it's sitting nice and flush on there? When you're all done, it should look something like that. So you got the step down part at the top with it flush with that, some sticking out the bottom, and that part there. And that's what it's gonna look like. Like I said, guys, super easy install, super quick video. It's only gonna be like a couple of minutes long. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Leave me a comment, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.